Okay, so this will be the assembly of a box that is coming your way. To begin, we're going to start with the slider panel first. First start off with the two panels marked A. So there's an A front and an A back. Those are going to help you interweave them in order to determine the proper sliding. So on the A back one, the first step will be to fold this back. Then taking some glue or double side tape, when two strips down, fold over to here, give it a roll, and that's good. Now interweave, the A will be in the back and the A front will line up. Now the trick will be to actually sliding the components together to interweave. Like so. And the A front will cover the A back. You'll notice when you flip it over, these corners will line up together. Next, take some Scotch tape. This just helps hold the pieces together, but still allows for them to slide. Just rolled over the top, like so. Do the same thing at the bottom side. Once that's done, you can put that off to the side. Next part we'll do are the B's. Again, they're labeled B back, B front. Now these ones will get slid through. Like so. Covering the tabs, and the edges will line up. Take some more Scotch tape. Over the top. And at the bottom. The next step now will be to take both pieces and intertwine them together. The B's will sit in front of the A's. Sometimes it's easier to go from the top to line everything up. You can see how the panels start to interlace with each other. Now, if they've been interlaced correctly, you can see as you start to slide it forward, each one will be coming through, and that's what we're looking for. So you can slide that all the way forward, set the corners line up, and then that component is done.